Yeah, Roger, that is your answer sheet, right?
Yes.
Okay. Everyone of you, turn your cameras on. Am I visible yet or not? No, I should be. Okay.
Sir, you
Roger,
are
you. Okay. All right. So recently, you guys have given tests of two different chapters, right? One was the pattern mathematics, and the another chapter was data handling. So today I'll be discussing your answer sheet for the chapter. That was this one is data handling. Okay, now.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, I hope it is visible. Yeah. See,
Yes, sir.
you have not attempted all the questions. Okay.
Yeah, some were a bit difficult for me.
Uh-huh. By the way, have you studied this chapter in your school?
Actually, yes, we've done the explanation in our school online class today.
Okay, explanation. Oh, recently it's still going on in the school.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, all of you open the question papers also. Okay, now Raja, you also open the question paper. Okay. I will try to show you the question paper also. I hope that will work. Yeah, it is working. That's good to know. Oh, 1 minute, please. Yeah. So look at question number 3. Question number 3 says dash makes the data easy to count. So everyone, most of you have answered tally mark, and that is correct. If you are being given with some form of data, so if you represent it with the help of tally marks like this, that represents 5, that represents 4, and so on. Okay. So the right answer for third question will be tally mark and not symbol. All right, now it's more appropriate. Now look at question number 11. Question number 11. In this, actually, in the question number 11, I noticed that actually there were two questions that were typed together. There were two questions that were typed together. See, that is assertion and reasoning, and this one more assertion and reasoning. Although answer for both the questions are going to be same. Okay, now. So in the assertion A, different blood groups are given now. Blood group A, B, A, B, and O. Right. By the way, everyone should be aware of their blood groups. Does everyone know their blood group here?
Yes, mine is AB positive.
Be positive. Good. Yeah.
No.
No. If no, like in future, when you get your blood test done, make sure you memorize your blood group name. It is very important information. Then the different number of students that are having these groups. Suppose there are some students in a class, and they are as follows. So which is the rarest blood group here? AB. No. That's only
AB.
3 students have AB blood group. So assertion is correct. Second, yeah, assertion was given here. This was the assertion, and that was the reasoning here. So hence both of them are correct. Both assertion and reasoning are correct, and R is the correct explanation. Then you can look at the second question also. Also there was a bit of a mistake here, like two questions were typed together, but nonetheless the answer for both the questions is going to be same. Okay. Like in a pictograph, it says one picture may represent more than one item, no? Right? Like one picture, it may represent more than one item, like it can represent 5, 10, so on. Second, it says reasoning is that this helps to save time and space. Yeah, it helps to save in time. So for this one, option A is the correct one. Okay. Option A was the right answer for this question. Moving on to the question number 15. See, the question here is saying that if you were making a table of the longest river on each continent and their lengths, would you prefer to use a bar graph with vertical bars or with horizontal bars? So actually you were not there while we were doing this chapter, Hoja, but many of you were there. So do you guys remember I told you that whenever you have
We have to use horizontal bars.
horizontal bars should be used like this. These are the horizontal bars like this. Why we are going to will be using the horizontal bars here, no? Because the thing is that rivers, they flow parallel to the ground, no? Rivers flow parallel to the ground, while the mountains, they are like this, no? They're vertically above the ground like this. Getting it? Mountains, they are vertically above the ground like this. So in order to represent anything that is lying vertically above the ground, so it will be better to represent them with vertical bars like this.
Hmm.
Getting it?
Yes.
But if there's anything that is flat and it's parallel to the ground, it will be better to use horizontal. That's why you must be deducted in this one. Okay.
Okay.
Then question number 16, that was incorrect. See, question number 16, you had to draw frequency distribution table. Okay. Someone had drawn it
Okay.
correctly. I think Laksh, you did a very good job on this. Laksh, whether it was you or Nafis, I think. Okay. But one of the thing was missing, that one of you have not written the tally mark. I will get there. So we had to prepare a frequency distribution table for this one. Then which
Hmm.
means of transport was used most? So you have to see in this, the bike is
Hmm.
considered maximum number of times as the mode of transport. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
10, 11,
12,
12,
13.
13.
Huh? Have I missed any? So
No, sir.
13, right now. So which means of transport was used the most? So it was bike. Okay. Now the question is, how do you draw the frequency distribution table? While I'll be discussing the answer paper for the students, you will be learning about that there. Okay. Then you have missed question number 17 and 18. See, question number 17 was really easy. A survey
Uh,
of 100. Yeah.
Sir, when I was doing question 11, 16, there was no time. It was already 8:15 for me. So my
Oh,
mother said that you have to submit it now. Otherwise, like they will
okay.
deduct marks.
I get it. I get it. Okay. Okay. But you know how to solve it, right?
Um,
Any.
yes. Yeah,
Okay.
I can.
Good. So survey of 120 students were conducted to find out which activity they preferred to do in their free time. And these were the different activities: playing, reading study books, and so on. And these were the number of students. So you had to draw a bar graph to illustrate the above data by taking the scale of 1 unit length as 5 students. Okay, na? So you'll be drawing vertical and horizontal lines like this. Okay. Now on the horizontal line, you are going to write down the different types of activities now. Right, everyone? Activities. And here we are going to write down the number of students. Number of students. And you have to take 1 unit length equals to 5 now. So thereby we will take 5, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. For example, how many students preferred listening to music? 10.
10.
So while we'll be drawing for it, it will be corresponding to 10 like this. So in
Yes.
this manner, it has to be done. Question number 18
Yeah.
was really simple. So it was saying write the number of tickets sold for Vidisha above the bar. So in this, many of you have just written the answer, but actually you had to write it in the given diagram, like over the bar. So we have to write down how much? 24 here. Write the number of tickets sold for Jabalpur above the bar. How many tickets were sold for Jabalpur? It is 20 now, right? And the bar for Vidisha is 6 units length. Bar for Vidisha, like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 unit length, right? 6 units length. And the bar for Jabalpur is 5 unit long. Getting it, everyone?
5 units.
So what
Yes.
is
Yes.
the scale for this graph?
Hmm.
1 unit length represents 4 units.
Exactly.
Yes.
It represents 4 tickets, right now?
Sir,
That's
I
why
think
now
so you
it's going to
said this.
we have discussed this same question.
Yeah.
It's from the
Yeah.
NCERT. Okay. So unit length for this is going to be 4 tickets, like 1 unit length equals to 4 tickets. Let me clarify this once again. 1 unit length means 4. Total how many unit length here is 6 now. So 4 times 6, that is equal to 24.
24.
For Jabalpur it is 20 now. For Jabalpur it's 5 unit length over here. So thereby 5 into 4 should be equal to 20 tickets. Isn't it 20 tickets here for Jabalpur? Okay. So hope you have understood why your marks were deducted and what are the areas which you need to work upon. So for you, Khaja, I will say work on time management. Okay, now because many of the students they have been able to answer all the questions. Okay. Some of them have been able to all answer all the questions in the given period of time. So work on time management. Okay. Also, there's some slight error in the bar graph in this one also. Like the gap between the bars are not equal. They're varying actually. Getting it? So make sure whenever you draw this now, the gap between the bars are uniform. Okay, Khaja?
Okay, sir.
And this one, so your answer sheet, Habib. Okay. So you have got okay, see. As for you, what I have said, Habib, you there now? Yeah, turn your camera on.
Yes.
In question, turn your camera on. In question number 7, your marks were deducted. Question was saying in question number 7, the following bar shows the number of fruits in a shop. Okay. How many apples are there? 20. How many oranges? 10. Pear is 70. And so on. Further question is asking from the given data, we can see that there are 40 more pears then. It is saying that 40 more pears than what? The 40 more pears, then it means that we will subtract 40. I mean to say, we will subtract 30 from it. Right now, I mean to say 40 from it. We will subtract 40 from 70. So that is 30. So it is corresponding to papaya, no? Right? So there are 40 more pears than papaya. That is 70. Getting it or not?
Yes.
Let me repeat this if you're not getting it. And others, what about you guys? You getting it? Question here is saying that from the given data, we can see that there are 40 more pears then. How many pears are there? 70.
7.
Right? So it is 40 more than which fruit?
70 minus 40 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 30. 30 is papaya.
Papaya, no? So pear is 70. That is, it is 40 more than papaya, no? Because there's 30 papaya and there's 70 over 70 pears. So hence that should have been papaya. Okay. Now look at question number 15. In question number 15, you had to actually draw it, no? No, I mean to say, hold on. See, the question was saying that you had to explain why and you had to try finding out this information and then make the corresponding table and bar graph. You actually had to make a bar graph for the question number 15. Habib, turn your camera on while I'm discussing it. Your answer sheet is being discussed now. Turn your camera on. Like Khaja had drawn a bar graph. He had drawn the bar graph in question number 15. So you were also supposed to draw the bar graph for this. Although your answer is correct that a horizontal bar graph will be preferred, that is correct. Okay, now that you should be preferring a horizontal bar graph. That's correct. But your answer is incomplete, hence 1 marks were deducted in this. Then you have not attempted so many questions like question number 16, 17, and
Yes.
18. May I know why? Like, was it because of less time or you did not understood it? You had doubt in it.
I
See,
had doubt in it.
okay. See, question number 16. If you guys recall it, this is from NCRT. Do you guys recall this? Question number 16. And question number 18 also. Both of them were taken from NCERT book and they were discussed in the class. Okay. So if you guys would have, if you would have done it, then you shouldn't have any problem in it. You guys tell me, have all of you come? Habib, I can't see you. Where are you? Turn your camera down. So have all of you completed your NCERT question, NCERT exercise questions of all the chapters which we have done? Laksh,
sir.
Nafis, Habib. Habib, have you done? Have you solved all the NCERT exercise questions at home?
Not all. Some.
Only some.
Yes.
And you guys have done all, no? So it is really important not to leave any questions from NCERT book. Hmm. So earlier I have explained question number 17 and 18. I have explained that. Was the explanation clear to you, Habib? We have discussed that already.
Yes.
Question number 17 and 18, I have discussed it moments ago. Is it clear now?
Yes. Yeah. It's clear.
Good. Now you guys look at question number 16. Okay. See, it says to prepare a frequency distribution table for the data given to us here. So how does a frequency distribution table look like? How do we draw it? Let's understand. What's the issue? Hold on. Hmm. Give me a minute. So here you would have written means of transport. Here we'll be writing tally marks. And here we're going to write down the frequency. Okay. What are the different modes of transport here? They are bike. Next is car,
Bus,
bicycle, bus,
auto,
Then
auto,
bull cart. Auto.
scooter, bullock cart is also there.
Then
yes, bullock cart.
yeah, bull.
That's all I think. There isn't any other mode. Okay. Now you have to count how many bikes have crossed between 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So 1, 2, 3, 4,
13,
5,
I think so.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. Now, one of you did not
Yeah.
have made a mistake while doing the tally mark. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10, and 10 plus 3, 13. And here the frequency will be 13. So in this manner, you had to do the tally mark. Okay, now Khaja and Habib,
Okay.
how many cars are there? Quickly tell me.
Um.
5.
Mm-hmm.
6, sir.
5. No, 6. Yes,
6,
6.
no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In this manner, you had to do it. Okay. Clear?
Sir,
Okay, sir.
Yeah, look.
I didn't put the tally marks. I just wrote the frequency and the mode of transportation.
I think that was yours actually. Your answer and Nafis, your answer sheet is left to be discussed. Hold on. This one is yours, right, Laksh? Okay, that is yours now. So look here. That is question number 15, right? See, first of all, the very first thing I have noticed in your answer sheets, like you are again and again not using the scale. You are not using, that's not, which question number is it? I think that is now question number 15, yeah.
15, sir.
Also, sometimes I find it very difficult to read the question number or number also. Like it is very unclear, like which question number is this. So please write down the question numbers also properly. Laksh, okay. Then there's one more thing over here to be noticed. See, you have not used a scale, so it is not looking very appealing. Getting it? The width is not uniform. Look what have you done here, Laksh. Look at it. So it is not looking very appealing. Okay. So try to use a scale. So thereby your marks were deducted in this. In this tally marks were missing as you were mentioning. Okay. And this again, the gap is non-uniform. There should be equal gap between the bars. Okay. Then as for question number 18, look here. For question number 18, question number C, it is saying that the bar for Vidisha is 6 units length and the bar for Jabalpur is 5 units length. And we have earlier found out the unit will be 1 unit length will be equal to 4 tickets, right? Equals to 4 tickets. Getting it? So it should have been 4 tickets now. You have written 3. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
look at it
I
here
was
like
confused while doing the question. Like,
oh,
what's the scale?
now for Sagar, 16 tickets were sold. For Sagar, 16 tickets were sold. So although you have drawn this bar, but look again, you have not used any scale and it's very unclear like what have you drawn here. So rather you should have drawn it in this manner. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that will be 4 unit length. Getting it? And then you should have constructed in the following manner. Okay, you should have written here 4. I mean to say 16. Getting it? So those
Yes,
are the
sir.
things you need to take care of. That is for Saka. Now yours is left. Look, you haven't been able to answer the assertion reasoning question properly, Nafis. Look, in question number 10, it is saying a bar graph is a pictorial representation of data using bars of uniform width. Yeah, in a bar graph, we are pictorially representing the data now with the help of the bars like this, and all the bars are of uniform width now, like the thickness of this and this, they are same. Getting it?
Yes.
It's not like we'll be using a bar like this, no. So assertion is correct. Reasoning says the length of each bar in a bar graph corresponds to the value it represents. So the varying length of all these bar represents some value. Now, like this is 5, this is let's say 6, that is 8. So all of them are representing some value. Getting it? So
Yes.
hence for this it was both assertion and reasoning is correct and reasoning is the correct explanation. As for question number 11 also as we discussed, the answer would have been option number A actually. Both A and R are true, but R is the correct explanation. And R is the correct explanation. And that is question number 13, I guess. Yeah. So statement A is that a bar graph represents data in the form of pictures, objects, or parts of objects. But that is not correct and that is not true. A bar graph only makes use of bar. It does not use a picture. Yes, no? Log, Nafis, and everyone getting it. In a bar graph, we are only using these rectangular bars now. Do we draw a picture
Yes.
like this in the bar graph?
No, sir.
No, we don't know. So it was actually false. Data is collection of numerical figures giving required information. Yeah, obviously. What is data? It's a collection of numerical figures. And numerical figures here refers to numbers here. Getting it? So it gives you some information, so it is true. Then again for question number 15, as we discussed earlier, horizontal bar is suitable to represent the length of the rivers of different continent. And we discussed why. Actually, the answer sheet here is not visible properly. But for the car, what you had done here, now let me tell you. You have drawn the tally mark in the following manner: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have written 2 vertical lines instead of only one. Okay, na? Although the frequency that is 6 is correct, but you had made one extra vertical line. Okay, now?
Sir,
But
it's not visible.
yeah, here it is not visible actually. But while I have saved it, there might be some error in saving, or like the clarity loses
Maybe I'll
is
check
lost while we
in
save.
my book.
Yeah, you can check there on the website. But in question 17, 18, you have done well. Okay, now there you have answered it correctly and properly. Diagrams were neat. But I will be advising this to everyone. Whenever a diagram has to be drawn, make sure you draw it on a plain paper, on a plain sheet of paper, like on a A4 sheet. Okay. Particularly if you have questions like bar graph based question, now, so please draw it on a bar graph. You guys understand a bar graph, right? Bar graph paper that kind of looks like this. Okay. Okay. In the next class, now we'll be discussing questions. I'll be discussing answer sheet of the next chapter, that is patterns in mathematics.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's continue with this. We were done with question number 7. We will continue with question number 8. Okay. So question number 8 here says that can two obtuse
Sir, I'll
angles.
just go to the washroom.
Okay, okay. Meanwhile, all of you turn your cameras on. Khaja and Habib. Yeah, what are the supplementary angles? Yeah. Say that you're having two angles.
Sir, your voices are like breaking for me.
It's breaking. What about others?
Never mind, never mind.
Okay. So
No, sir.
supplementary angles are the
It's
angles
not
that.
breaking, it's clear.
Okay. So supplementary angles are two angles that adds up to give you 180 degree. Getting it now? So here angle AOB plus angle AOC is equal to how much? 120 plus 60, and that is 180, right?
180. Yes.
So these two angles,
Sir,
we are calling them as,
I'm
yeah,
back.
good. So we are calling them as supplementary angles, right now? Now look at the question again. Question is saying that, is it possible?
I
No,
think
sir.
it is right.
No, sir.
Oh,
Because
Think on your own. Do not copy anyone's answer. Think on your own, because you'll be required to explain it as well. Yeah. Let's take any example while we are solving this. Then we will be concluding it. While some of you are saying it correctly, but for those who are in confusion, the best way to clear confusion is by solving it. Name any obtuse angle. Name one obtuse angle. Give an example. Come on, guys. Nafis, you're on mute. Obtuse angle is an angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180. So name any angle that lies between 90 and 180.
90 and 100.
100 degree. Okay, name another obtuse angle. Name one more.
120.
120. How much is the sum of these two angles?
220.
220. Okay, but can we call them as obtuse angle? Your that is correct. You're saying no, as it is more than 90 degree and 91 plus 91 equals 182. Yeah, exactly. Getting it now. Even if you were to take the smallest obtuse angles now, let's say you have taken 91. Okay, now
sir,
91 will
even
be the
90.1. So it will still
obviously
make a more than 180. It would make 180.2,
Yeah.
which
Even
is
if you
not a.
were, yeah, let's say we are just taking whole numbers and not decimals. 91 plus 92, okay, and that will be equal to 183 now, which is not
Yes.
supplementary.
Yes.
So
Yes.
the answer for this is going to be no. So say that this question carries 2 marks. So you will not just write one line statement. You will actually take some examples like this. You will show the working that it is equal to 220 degree. Then you will write down that no, it is not possible. Okay,
Hmm.
now
Okay. Okay.
because the sum of any two obtuse
Hmm.
angle is always more than 180.
180.
Clear?
Hmm.
Okay, move to the another question now. Question number 9.
Question number 9.
Hmm.
Oh.
This one is easy, and I expect you guys to try and solve it. First of all, you have to draw the diagram for this. Okay,
Hmm.
now. So an
Okay, sir.
angle bisect is dividing angle XYZ into two angles, into two halves, basically means that is XYB and BYZ. Okay.
Okay.
Angle
Okay.
bisector, you understand now? It divides the
Yes.
angle into two equal halves.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now angle XYZ is also given, that is 90 degree. So first thing you have to draw
So
angle
each
XYZ here.
Sir, each of the, I mean, the XYB and BYZ will be 45 degrees each.
Hmm.
As it is dividing the 90 degrees into two equal halves.
Very good. Okay. So since this angle XYZ here measures 90 degree, so the angle bisector divides it
And
into
one.
angle XYB
Oh.
and angle BYZ. Okay,
Mhm.
XYB and BYZ. So
Oh.
can you guys name the ray here? What will be
Uh,
the ray?
YB.
should be.
YB it is.
Oh.
Then only we'll be able to read this as angle XYB. Now, like this is going to be now
Yeah.
XYB. Angle
Yeah.
XYB. And thereby this will be angle BYZ, right?
BYZ. Yeah.
Angle BYZ. Okay. Can you guys do the construction? Do one thing, all of you have a protractor. So,
Yes, sir.
so first of all, draw an angle measuring 90 degree. Then on the same protractor, find where 45 degrees lying. You will find it between 40 and 50, right?
Yeah.
Right between this.
There should be like a small line bigger than the smaller ones which measure millimeter.
This one you're mentioning, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that will be 45. So first of all, you construct an angle, you construct the right angle, then draw the angle bisector and name it also according to the question. Everyone do it
Okay.
fast.
Okay. 1 second.
Hmm.
Sir, I can't find my protractor.
You can't. Okay. You should have kept it with you, no?
Yes, sir, but I can't find it now.
Okay, then do one thing. You answer question from this one then. I'm sending the screenshot in the chat box. Okay. It has been sent. It will take a second to go.
Yes.
Yeah, I have sent it in the chat box, Nafis.
Yeah.
Hmm. Habib, are you drawing the angle?
Yes.
Good.
This one, right?
Yeah, question number 9. That one.
So we have to draw it with pencil, right?
Yeah. We should always draw with pencil only.
Okay.
So question number 9, this right beside question number 9. You have to this one.
Yeah, obviously this one here.
Okay.
Okay, you have to draw an angle measuring 90 degree. Then you have to draw the angle bisector such that each of the angle should be measuring 45 degree here. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir,
Lich. Done. Good. Show it to me. Hold on. Let me zoom it. Good. Good. You have not named the ray.
Sir,
Name the ray
can I
also.
take a screenshot of it?
Okay, take the screenshot.
named it.
You haven't named the ray. B is missing.
Sir, no, I've written. I think it's too small.
Oh.
Sir,
This also
finish.
hurry. Finish. Show it to me.
Sir, you sent me a pic.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Actually, that one was sent you now. Yeah.
Done, sir.
Tell me the answer then, Nafis.
Okay, sir. First one is a line segment has two endpoints.
Okay. Then
Second one is an angle of exactly 90 degrees is
just say
called
the
a
answer.
right angle.
Good. Just say the answer only.
Okay.
Third one.
Third one is infinitely
Fourth.
or infinite.
Good. Fourth
Fourth one is measure.
Continue.
Fifth one is obtuse angle.
Good. Okay. You can try doing the question from section E also.
Okay.
Okay. Meanwhile, since others are not done yet. Yeah, Khaja, you done? Khaja and Habib.
Yes, sir.
How will you show it to me, Khaja? Like your camera is not working.
I think I fixed it yesterday. 1 second.
Okay. Just give me a minute. I will need to zoom it. Yeah, that is good. Good, Khaja. Very good. Okay. Then question number 10, I'll be skipping this. It's of the same nature. You have to basically construct an angle measuring 75 degree. That can be easily done with the use of a protractor. Okay. Okay. Now this is a really simple one. A line segment has?
Yeah. Line segment has a one endpoint, right?
No.
No, two.
Two endpoints.
Next, an angle of exactly 90 degree.
Right angle.
Right angle.
Next.
Restarted to NX infinitely.
Infinite.
Next.
A protractor is used to
Measure.
Measure angles, or you can not draw also. Both of them are correct, by the way. Measure.
Angle greater than
An angle that is
obtuse.
good.
Obtuse, yeah.
Okay. Habib, were you done with the given question or not? Meanwhile, you guys look at the question here. So you have to mark.
Sir,
Yeah.
I told you that I'm taking a screenshot.
Oh, you have taken it, but weren't you supposed to draw it?
I will draw it later by saying it.
Okay. See, mark 3 points A, B, and C on your paper such that they are not on the same line. You understood?
Sir, we did this before.
We have done this before. Okay, some of you might not have done it, but so we'll be doing it quickly. Okay. So you will take mark 3 different points, but they should not be in a line like this. 1 point here, 1 point here, and 1 point here. Okay, Khaja and everyone. Then draw all possible lines through pairs of these points. Name the lines and list all angles formed using A, B, and C. Okay. I believe you should be able to do it. Okay.
Draw all possible. So pair of these points.
Sir,
Name the lines.
Yes, Khaja?
I don't understand the meaning of like they are
Mhm.
not on the same line. I don't understand that.
See, what can you say about these 3 points to me?
Uh,
Point X, Y, and Z.
yeah.
I can draw a line between them now. I can draw a line that will pass through all these 3 points. So
Yes.
these 3 lines are on the same line. These 3 points are on the same line. But say if I have made the points one here, another here, and here, right now.
Oh.
So
Oh,
then
okay.
are they on the same line? Point P,
No, sir.
Q, R, S, T. No. So that is what the question is saying, that they are not on the same line. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Everyone have to do this. Habib, you also do this. It's a simple one. And while drawing the lines through these points, now please use a scale and not just
Mark
connect
3
it.
points. This
Uh,
question है mana
Yeah.
section E
Yeah.
question 1.
Yes, Habib.
sir,
Uh-huh.
uh, I also don't understand what list all angles mean. Like, do we have to draw an angle with those with the points we made?
List all angles formed using angle A, B, and C. Yeah. First of all, let me explain this stepwise. Like, first of all, we are going to take 3 different points, guys, like this. Okay. Let's
Yeah.
name this point A, B, and C.
Okay.
Okay. Then what you will be doing, you will be connecting all these points. You will draw line through the pairs of the point. Pair of point, what does it mean? Pair of point.
A
You
and
have
B.
A comma B, point A and point B. Next, A comma C. Next,
BC.
B and C. So through these pairs of line, you have to draw pairs of point. You have to draw the lines that will connect them. Understood it
Oh,
now?
okay. Yes, sir.
Then you will name the angles also. Done. Show it to me.
They will draw the line.
Okay. AB, BC, and CA, angle ABC, BC, and CB. Okay. You again have not used a scale, Laksh. Please use a scale now. And whenever we have to do some construction work, please use a pen. Okay, Laksh?
Okay, sir.
Also, the symbol of angle, don't make it so big like this. Okay, now just a tiny one will work like this angle ABC. Okay. Yeah, those who are finished, show it to me.
Sir, but when I draw it small, it looks like it's a C, not an angle sign. So that's why I don't think you would.
Okay. With practice, you will improve.
Sir, I'm
Yes.
almost about to finish.
Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, so you have connected it, that is good. Okay. But weren't you also supposed to write down the names also,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Nafis?
Yes, sir. I was writing.
Uh-huh. So you have to draw all the lines. You have done that. Name the lines also and then list all the angles formed. Good. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah, Habib,
Can I go to washroom?
repeat again.
Can I go to washroom?
Okay. Now, like you tell me that chapter decimal which was going on in your school, I think was it completed or is still going on?
It's almost completed. Just
Okay. So have you shared the exercise questions of that chapter with me?
for decimals, I don't think so. I've shared.
You haven't. Okay. Make sure you share it with me. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Hmm. And the decimal chapter that is not there in the updated syllabus of NCERT. So what we will be doing, what we are going to do, you will be sharing the exercise questions and I'll be discussing your doubts. Okay. And I will explain to you about the major fundamental concepts in the chapter. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
I'm done with the section E, first one.
Show it to me.
1 second.
Yeah, very good. That looks clean. Good. You have named the angles also. Angle ACD, angle, what have you written next? Angle ADC and angle CAB. Angle
I've wrote angle ACB, angle ABC, and angle CAB.
Good, good. You should have
Uh,
named the lines also.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, in the decimals chapter is also not in my textbook, but they do it separately. Like they have a asset, so they do it in the PPTs. So should I share the PPTs with you?
yeah, it will be better. Share the PPT. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So guys, the lines are going to be line AB, okay, line BC and line AC. These are the lines. Now, how do we write down the lines? In this manner, we have to write down the lines now. Right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So that is how we write down line. And how do we write down line segment? AB with
With the
simple
line
line
above.
above it. Getting it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Further, what are the angles here?
Angles ABC, BC, and AC.
Exactly. So angle ABC, angle BCA, and the third one is angle CAB. So these were the different angles. Okay, now.
Okay.
Now you guys just give me 1 minute. I'll be taking
Okay.
up your assignments also, and I need to discuss that also with you.
Okay.
One, two, and three. Okay, these are the recent assignments uploaded by you guys. That one is yours, Laksh, right? See, in the second question, although you have done the calculation correct, okay, but the diagram is missing in this one. Okay, na? The diagram is missing in this one. If you have read the question carefully, the question was saying you have to draw the diagram also. First, identify the pattern, okay, and then you have to write down the make the diagram as well. And the diagram should have been made in the following manner. Question was saying that what if you were to multiply the triangular numbers with 1 and add 1, right? You multiply it by 1 and then multiply it
Sir,
by 6, I mean to say, sorry.
multiply by 6 and add
Multiply
1.
it by 6 and then add 1. So first triangular number we are having 1, then multiplied by 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. And so on we continued. 3 multiplied by 6 plus 1, that is 19. Hence these were the numbers you were getting. Right now, 7, 19, 37, 61, and
Yes.
91, and so on. So this is the diagram you are required to make. Okay, now? Habib, you listen here. In the first question, you have not shown the calculation. The sequence obtained by summing hexagonal number is the sequence of the cubic numbers. That is correct, but you should have shown the calculation here also now. What exactly was the question? Sequence obtained by summing hexagonal numbers is the sequence of the cubic numbers. Okay. So what are the hexagonal numbers?
1, 7.
Mm-hmm.
Is it what was it?
Remember what were the hexagonal numbers? Anyone?
I know what is hexagonal numbers, but I forgot the sequence.
Okay. Laksh, what are the hexagonal numbers?
Sir, it's 1, 7, 19, and then 37.
So question was that if we were to add the hexagonal numbers, what sequence do we get? So you will be getting the sequence of cubic numbers. But what is the construction for this? Let us understand that. So hexagonal numbers, we are having 1, right? Then we are having 7, 19, 37, 61, and so on. It's listed here as well. Now say if you were to add them, okay, now if you were to add them, let us say 1 plus 7. What are we getting? 8 now,
8. Yeah.
right? Okay.
Yes.
Then 1 plus 7 plus 19. What are we getting here?
Equal. 1 second.
Hurry up.
26.
26 or 27?
Oh,
27.
27. 27.
27. No? Next, you add 1 plus 7 plus 19 plus 37. What do we
37.
get here?
7,
Mm,
74. 4, 1 carry, 2, 3, 5, 6.
Do we get
6.
64?
64.
And you will continue so on. After you'll be adding 61 to it also, you'll be getting 125.
Yeah.
So these are the sequence of what?
Cube numbers.
Cubic.
Cubic numbers, no? Cube numbers, no? Right?
Yeah.
So this working had to be shown. This
Sir, can
solution,
I rejoin? I can't hear your voice clearly.
rejoin quickly.
Excuse me,
Okay,
sir.
so as you have shown the calculation, that is correct here. Here.
Sir, I've sent the PPTs to the counselor, I think. Yeah.
Okay, good, good. Now this one is also your assignment. Look, see, in this assignment, I don't have the question here, but anyways, see, 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 9, that you have written 945. Like the sequence is started from here, right? 3 times 5 equals to 15. 15 times 7, 105. 105 times 9, that is 945. So next, we had to multiply 945 by the by another consecutive odd number after 9, which is another odd number. So that is 11, which you have written here.
11.
Correct. But you will be getting 10,395 now.
Yes.
Now you're saying you're unable to spot the pattern. The pattern here is simple. Like we are basically, these are the we are basically multiplying consecutive odd numbers. You see, first, like we have multiplied these two consecutive odd numbers, 3 and 5. Getting it? So we got 15. Now 15 is being multiplied by another odd number after 5, that we got 105. 105 is being multiplied by another odd number that comes after 7, that is 9. Understood the pattern?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Tell me, look.
Yeah, I think yes.
Basically, the thing here is that we have been multiplying consecutive, like, see, 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. Okay. Previous to this, what number we had? We actually had this now. 1,
1,
9
9.
into 3 into 5 into 7. So that was equal to how much? 105.
945. Oh.
Prior to 105, we had which number? 15, no? So that was 1 into 3 into 5, and hence that is 15.
15.
Getting it?
Yes, sir.
If you were to go prior to this also, you'll be having 1 into 3, and that will be 3. Okay.
Okay.
So these are, we are able to get this as a result of multiplication of the consecutive odd numbers. Getting it now?
Yes, sir.
So that was the pattern in it. Okay. Nafis, you have not uploaded your assignment. Yeah. So in the next class, we are done with the lines and angles, and we are done with the first chapter also.
Patterns in mathematics.
Yeah. So these two chapters we have done so far. Okay.
Sir, what will be the next chapter?
Yeah. Regarding that, I'm going to discuss with you guys. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Some of you, did anyone got the syllabus? I think no one has got the syllabus as of now.
Yeah, not yet.
Yeah, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Again, there were some chapters that were done in a school. Lakshya told me the other side of 0, right? And number plane integers have been done in a school. Lakshya. So regarding integer, Okay, since it is not in the syllabus, but what we'll be doing for you, Laksh, okay, you will be required to share whatever PDFs or PPTs you have for this chapter. You will share it with me. You will tell me your doubts, and accordingly, we'll be having a discussion. And I'll be telling you about the major concepts also, which will be helpful for other students also in the batch. Okay,
Okay.
because like integers, what are they? They are basically the collection of positive and negative numbers, positive and negatives of whole numbers. So suppose you have this big bag, okay, and in this bag you put numbers like 0, 1, 2, -2, -5, -11, 9, etc. So this bag has a collection of integers where you are having 0 positive natural number and negative natural numbers. Okay, now so we'll be learning
Okay.
about that in detail, particularly how some operations are carried on the integers. Okay.
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 Then, Khaja, what's the status in your school? Last time you
Mm,
told me like these three
yeah.
chapters were done.
Yes. Now, since this week, we've done the explanation of data handling.
Oh, okay, okay. So the next class,
Uh,
mhm. So
like
the next,
like the teacher explained what is
mm,
pictograph, bar graph, and now I'm not sure, but I think we'll be doing pie charts.
pie
One,
charts.
yeah, I'm not sure when school reopens on Sunday. Today was the last day of online class.
Okay. By the way, pie chart is not there in the chapter. If old book is being
Oh,
followed, maybe, but I don't think that they are following the older school, because if these chapters have been done, so it means the new book is being followed.
okay.
Okay. So in the next class, we'll be doing questions from the number play then. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right. And when you guys